I believe the stories about our relationship with the earth are powerful and important. And I'm also a mother, and the future of our children relies on the preservation of our ecosystem. So when I saw the film first, and I just love, I got so inspired by it because he explored the problem but offers solutions and practical answers that we can implement in our daily lives. I mean, he really showed, like what Gabe was, it was amazing, like to see what happens with a farm that is doing monoculture versus a regenerative farm. It was amazing, the life, the biodiversity. Like, it was just like, it created so much hope in me. I felt like everyone needs to know about this, right? Because in the end of the day, right, food is medicine. Our health is directly connected to what we eat, and everything starts in the soil. If the soil isn't healthy and depleted of nutrients, so is our food. So I was like, everyone needs to know about this, and we need to,